Most people are not poor because of their income. They're poor because of their habits. Today, I'll show you 10 habits that silently make you poor and the 10 rich habits that replace them. Habit number 1. Poor habit. Poor people ignore their spending. They think they know where their money goes, but they never track it. Rich habit. Track every dollar for 7 days. Awareness alone changes everything. Habit number 2. Poor habit. Poor people buy comfort, not growth. They buy small pleasures all day. Rich habit. Spend on skills, tools, and knowledge. Growth first, comfort second. Habit number 3. Poor habit. Poor people wait for motivation. They say, "I'll start when I feel ready." Rich habit. Discipline over motivation. They act even when they don't feel like it. Habit number 4. Poor habit. Poor people fear investing. They wait and lose years. Rich habit. Start with index funds or ETFs. Even $50 per month compounds into thousands. Habit number 5. Poor habit. Poor people depend on one income. One job, one salary, one failure away from disaster. Rich habit. Build second and third income sources, even if tiny. Habit number 6. Poor habit. Poor people buy fast, decide slow. They buy instantly, but freeze when it comes to opportunities. Rich habit. Buy slow, decide fast on opportunities. Habit number 7. Poor habit. Poor people complain. They blame the economy, their job, inflation. Rich habit. They adapt, learn, upgrade. Winners adjust, losers complain. Habit number 8. Poor habit. Poor people are emotional with money. Impulse spending kills their savings. Rich habit. Use the 24-hour rule before buying anything non-essential. Habit number 9. Poor habit. Poor people think short-term. They want fast results, fast money, fast success. Rich habit. Long-term thinking. Slow, steady growth always wins. Habit number 10. Poor habit. Poor people avoid hard work. They want the outcome, not the process. Rich habit. They embrace the hard things first. Your habits decide your future. Change your habits, change your money. If you want weekly videos to build wealth, follow Valuement Finance, where your financial growth starts today.